2 and 5. I'm back with another video for you guys today. I got some new information for you guys, man. I got some new gems for you guys today. All right, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Shout out to all my existing vets, man. Everybody already subscribed to the channel. All right, so check this out, man. If you don't know, you're about to find out, and I'm about to expose you to some new information. All right, if you didn't hear it, you know. If you're not familiar with it. All right, so today we're talking about Uniset. All right, what is Uniset? Okay, for all y'all, this is excellent news because I'm gonna tell you what Uniset is. So Uniset is a Chrome extension for bit ordinals and BRC-20s. So if you never heard of bit ordinals, Bitcoin ordinals, BRC-20s. So Bitcoin ordinals is just like ERC-20 NFTs. Bitcoin ordinals is like NFTs. So they found out a way. They figured out a way to make Bitcoin NFTs. Yes, there's a thing called Bitcoin NFTs. All right, and it's also a thing called BRC-20s. So today I'm going to show you and walk you through what is a BRC-20 and what is Bitcoin ordinals. You know how to mint them, how to buy them, and also how to make them. All right, so we might not get into everything today, but I'm gonna definitely show you how to buy them and how to mint them. All right, and how to explore the marketplace. All right, so check this out. Before we go any further, um, it's called Uniset.io, not Unisets. It's a scam website actually out there. So I want you guys to avoid that. You see this right here? There's only one official website and official Twitter. Others are faked. So they zoomed in on this, right? You see this right here? It's a Uniset.io at the top, but really that's fake. It says Unisets.io. So beware of that, man. If you guys don't know, then you know that that's fake. Yeah, don't get scammed onto that fake website. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on. Let's get back to where we at. I'm sorry, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is, I lost you guys for a second. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on one second. Sorry. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna expose you guys to I'm gonna drop the link in the description for the real website. That way you guys won't get scammed, and I'm gonna show you guys and walk you through Uniset. All right. So when you on the website Uniset.io, all right, you at the home right here. So Uniset wallet. Now mind you, this is just an experiment for real. Open source Chrome extension for Bitcoin ordinals and BRC-20. Store and transfer your ordinals, NFTs. See, unconfirmed NFTs immediately 100% open source, GitHub, and Scribe on the fly without running a full node. So you don't got to run no nodes, no software, no anything. You can store, mint, and transfer BRC-20s. So I'm going to show you guys how to mint your first BRC-20 token. All right, so I made a mock token for you guys. If you guys want to mint it, you can, just to see how it is. You know what I'm saying? You can mint it, put it in your wallet. You can download a wallet, you can mint it, and you can sell it if you want to. All right, there's nothing really. A lot of this stuff is experimental anyway. It doesn't have really any monetary value. Now there is some that has monetary value that some guys made, like Ordy. Ordy came out and made so let me show you real quick. It's one called Ordy that's very popular right now. So for 150 Ordys, people are paying 9,195 sats, which is satoshis, which is translates to $2,500 for 150 Ordys. Yeah, it's very popular. All right, so check this out, right? Check this out. All right, so let's go to inscribe, right? So say I got a token that I came out with. It's called. So say you want to upload an NFT, a Ordi, right? Which is on the BRC-20, which is on Bitcoin 20, all right, like the ERC-20. You go to file. So say let's get into the mint. Let's get into the mint section. All right, so say you want to mint a token. So I own a token, right, that I made. It's called Why Not, right? Why not? Say you want to mint a Why Not, right? So the maximum Why Nots you can mint is 1,000. So say you want to mint 1,000 Why Nots, right? All right, repeat mint. Just put on one. So say mint right here. Why not? All right. So right here, it comes up. It says P, BRC20 platform, BRC20 option is mint option. The ticker symbol is why not. That's the one that you put in. That, but that they showing you what it is. So once you put in the ticker symbol, because it's only 4 letters, all ticker symbols is 4 letters. You put why not and then amount 1,000. All right. So you press next. All right. So they're telling you the amount you going the max is 1,000 anyway. So right here, you can put your address. You know, your wallet address, and it'll tell you the actual price and Satoshis, how much it's gonna cost, which is $2.47 to mint. $2.47 to mint. Connect the wallet addresses. All right. So what you could do with this is you could mint it. You could press the button right here. So you can put submit and pay invoice. Your order ID comes up, and you could pay with Bitcoin, regular Bitcoin, or you could pay with a Unisat regular wallet. You know, say 1,000 pending, 1,000 why not pending. Let me move this over. Can't see. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. So 1,000. That's how many you minting. And it comes up like your whole order comes up right here. That way you guys won't be missing anything. And then it says pay with Unisat wallet because you can already download and your own wallet. You could pay with the Unisat wallet, or you could pay with regular Bitcoin from another address. So say I'll click this right here. This is who you paying right here. This is who you paying. So you could copy this address and say pay to the address below, and you can go on regular Coinbase and just pay it, and it'll automatically go through. And then you could come back and see, or you could do what's called mixed pay. And this payment channel is temporarily unavailable. They stopped this since yesterday because doing some maintenance or something like that. But you could pay with Bitcoin. Just say pay to the address below. So you get the price right here, which is the price is 9,000 satoshis. You copy it, which is only gonna come out to that same fee, which is like $2. You copy it, you pay in Bitcoin, which is gonna be like $2. It already said it down there. And then you just click pay. That's it. You go to Coinbase or whatever, KuCoin or wherever you got the Bitcoin stored at on your ledger or on one of your wallets, and you press the pay button. That's pretty much is that simple. So you copy the fee, or you copy the address. If you don't want to forget the fee, you copy the fee, or you copy the address, and that's it. And you press the pay button, and it pays it automatically. And then once you finish paying it, you can come over here and you can see the confirmation right here. It's not going to say pending. It's going to say confirmed. It's going to take a while to confirm because it's congested. And that's how you mint an NFT. Now, if you guys, which is an ordinal, if you guys want to show me some love and just mint my NFT, I appreciate it a lot. I get some satoshis for you guys minting it, even though it's only like $1 and some change. I get some satoshis, even though the fee is only like $1 and some change. I earn some satoshis for every. I don't know if it's for every one that you mint or every time you guys mint. I know for a fact every time you guys mint, I get some satoshis. So put the why not in the ticker symbol. So you come here, press mint. If you want to play around with it, put why not. There's only 4 letters, and say amount. You could do 1, you could do 100. They ain't gonna really change the fee right here. And then it's gonna say right here. So you got amount 100, and then now it's still $2.74. So you know the max amount you can mint is 1,000. So if you try to go more than 1,000, so like if I go right here, remove all, right, and I go back right here, click the start, and I press mint, right, and I go to I'll try to do more than 1,000. It's not gonna let me do more than 1,000. See, it's not gonna let me do 5,000. Right here, so right here, see 5,000 only has 0 left to mint, so you only could do 1,000. I meant so if I do why not? I'm sorry, I put the wrong thing in there. Why not? And I put 5,000. Mint amount. Mint amount must be less than 1,000. So you can mint. I put it where you only mint 1,000. Why not? I'm sorry, y'all got distracted. So 1,000. Why not? You press the next button. You know, right there, and that's how you mint your first token on Unisat on the Bitcoin network. You know, so This could be something big. This could be something small. But I think in the future it's gonna be something huge. Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to everybody on my channel. Y'all can ticker around with that. Mint your first BRC-20 token, and then with your BRC-20 token, what you could do is right here. After you create a wallet and stuff like that, I'm gonna get to that later. But your BR, you know how to create a wallet. So after you you buy your token, you go right here. You go to the marketplace, right? So say you buy my token, right, or you buy any token, or whatever, right? Just say you buy my token, right? That'll help the channel and you know me a lot too if you just buy the token anyway. It's only $2. Anyway, you go here, and then once you buy it, you come from here. You press this. You press. I mean, a couple people already minted my token already. You go to my inscriptions, and then you click right here, list. You can go press list. All right, so list, and then it's waiting for confirmations right here. So my token is still waiting for confirmations because it's not done yet. And then you could whenever you know you get it, it's waiting for the confirmations, and then you just press list. You click it here, however many you got, you press list, and then you list it on the marketplace and you sell the token. That's it. That's how you buy your first token. That's how you sell your first token on Unisat. Again, Unisat is a Bitcoin extension where you could buy and sell NFTs, which is called ordinals, and you could buy and sell BRC-20 tokens. You can make your own token and you can sell it, or you could buy and mint tokens and stuff like that. You can store, mint, and transfer tokens. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can store, mint, and transfer tokens. So, mint your first token. How to mint your first token on the BRC-20 Unisat platform. And yeah, that's how you do that. I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto 215. All right, peace out.